It is our final day at Mercer Lake Resort, and we are going to be packing in a ton of fun. I'm going to be flying the DJI Avata around a bunch. We're going to be doing a ton of wake surfing, and it's Saturday, which means feed the beach. If you enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to show us your support, please subscribe to our channel and ring that notification bell so you can be notified of all the latest videos that are coming out. You can't have a final day at Mercer Lake Resort without starting off at Big Dog Donuts and getting some of their delicious buttermilk bars. The ideal morning continued with perfect conditions to fly my DJI Avata around some more and try to catch some of the early morning action going on the lake. Since it was our last morning at the lake, Joel and I went out for an extended round of wake surfing. Earlier in the week, Rob had told us never to try to go to the backside of the wake surfing because it's extremely difficult. So of course I had to try. It being our last day on our trip, we were pushing ourselves to try things we hadn't really done before, which did lead to some more crashes. The thing I love about Joel is every time he crashes, he immediately wants to get right back up.
You're so much better than me at getting inside that wave and loosening the rope.
Yeah, it's interesting to watch you guys because you're very different.
I know. I'm more about the cut back and forth.
They both are super fun.
What are you guys doing this morning?
Watching the video.
Why aren't you outside playing?
Because we need to see these so we can complete them.
What time does Feed the Beach start?
It's 30 minutes.
Every Saturday, everybody comes together and gathers on the beach at around 12 o'clock for what's called Feed the Beach. This has turned into just a huge extravaganza where everyone comes together, and Rob always puts together a great spread with lots of amazing food. This week was no different. He was making breakfast burritos, which were out of this world. He had a bunch of different types of pork you could try. Of course, I had to get the spicy pork, which was amazing. It's always just a really great time, great food, and it's a great way for everyone to come together one last time and appreciate hanging out together. After Feed the Beach is over, everyone just kind of chills out for a little while on the beach and slowly makes their way into the water for the afternoon activities to begin.
So who caught that? Did you catch it?
Me? Yeah.
Nice. How big do you think it is?
It's like it was 4.5.
Can you hold it up a little bit so we can see it close? Whoa. What type of fish is that?
Bass.
Nice. What are you going to do with it?
Her family wants it.
Nice.
Kelly, I'm taking that dang thing home.
After letting my food settle, I was now ready for the strenuous activity of floating in my tube and watching the kids jump around.
And this is when everything reaches a fever pitch. So I think the girls are making a plan to get the boys off the trampoline. Pretty sure that's what's going on, right, Claire?
I don't know.
Are you guys making a plan? Have the boys taken over the trampoline?
You guys lost.
After playing in the water, all the kids gathered up at Megan and Rob's backyard to celebrate Kelly and Katie's birthday. They made some tie-dye shirts together and just all hung out and had a really good time.
All right, so what'd you get there?
So Gia got me a Snake's Bible for my birthday party today because I really like snakes.
Nice.
True. Yeah.
So how do you like the book so far?
I really like it so far. I've read like 10 pages and I've also tried to name every single snake picture on the book.
After the party, we had a delicious dinner with some great chili burgers, and then Angie immediately went out on her paddleboard for a nice sunset paddle. Some of us decided to meet down on the beach around a campfire and get a chance to visit some more on our final night. as everyone started to come together the next morning, there was definitely some sadness in the air as everyone was saying their goodbyes and our trips were coming to an end.
Oh, you have glasses on. Yeah, I do. Okay, Katie, we need to assemble and that. And now you get to copy your poses.
No.
No, you have to stand next to Lydia. Where's this? Hey, that's my spot. I'm not gonna copy my.
Gee.
And then we can do a different photo.
All right, you in charge of picture taking? All right, one more.
Silly ones.
Everybody gets a picture.
One of the things I love about my wife is that she makes gifts for the kids at the end of every one of these trips for them to remember it by.
Gia, what's up with your pants?
Picture.
I don't know. Ah, your pants. I wanted to see your pants. Everyone was just
I
your
know.
pants.
And Labradorite.
So pretty.
Labradorite. Labradorite.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Wow.
Did everyone get one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah.
You're so beautiful.
All week long, there's so many fun activities that you do at Mercer Lake Resort, but at the end of the day, you're reminded of the relationships you've made and spending time with the people that you love.
Thank you guys so much for joining us today. If you have favorite places you like to go with your family, please leave your comments below. We'd love to know what some of your thoughts are. Don't forget you can follow us on Instagram at Bucket Day Adventures. And if you enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you really want to show us your support, please subscribe to our channel and ring that notification bell so you can be notified of all the latest videos that are coming out. Thanks again for joining us, and we sure hope you're doing something great today to fill your bucket. Take care.